Experiencing issues sending text messages on Spectrum Mobile? You're not alone. This problem often stems from incorrect settings on your phone, not necessarily a network outage. We'll cover the key culprits: SMSC, Short Message Service Center, and APN, access point name settings. The quickest fix is the airplane mode trick. Swipe down your notifications, enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disable it. This resets your phone's connection and often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, keep watching. We'll dive into more detailed solutions. If airplane mode didn't solve the problem, let's check your SMSC and APN settings. The SMSC, or Short Message Service Center, is the central hub that routes SMS messages. The correct SMSC for Spectrum Mobile is typically 1905591111. To check this on Android, you might need to use a dialer code. Dial *463 and navigate to SMSC settings to verify or update the number. For APN settings, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, and finally Access Point Names. The correct APN should be VZN or VZApp with blank username and password. If these are incorrect, manually update them and restart your phone. Remember, outdated firmware, especially on older Androids, can cause these settings to corrupt after updates or SIM swaps. If problems persist, contact Spectrum Mobile support for an over-the-air reset, as they are now prioritizing these types of remote fixes.